going on, guys? It's your boy 345 Hemi Rob coming back at y'all with another upload. So last week I kind of got caught lacking. I honestly didn't like the quality of the video. I do want to stay consistent, but I mean there's just something about me uploading not my best work that I just don't feel right with. So I mean, if you guys would prefer me to just stay consistent no matter how I feel about it, let me know in the comments. I can go ahead and stay consistent. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and not bore you guys to death with talking. So today what we're gonna be getting into is we're going on a little cruise on a mountain. It's not that long of a trail, so honestly it won't be too much time. So don't expect like a 30-minute video of just a cruise. I kind of hate those videos where they just cruise for 30-40 minutes unedited, posted, and like that's it. They don't talk, there's no music. It's just, sometimes it's satisfying for maybe about 10-20 minutes max. But to me, anything after that, it's kind of like overkill. So yeah, I won't bore you guys to death with that especially. But as you guys know, we got young baby out here. Cleaned her up a little bit the other day. Still a little bit dirty. It's what it's like to live in Arizona. It's a lot of dust just flying around everywhere. I don't know if y'all can see that. But I mean, on a white car, thankfully while it's rolling, you can't really notice unless you're like looking. So basically we're just gonna go ahead and make our way up there. And once I'm actually cruising, there won't be much talking. Yeah, so if you guys want to go ahead and grab a snack, chill out a little bit, and we'll go ahead and get straight to the cruise. My fault, my people. I almost took off here without getting y'all that. I mean, it's a warm start, hot start. The car's already warmed up. Yeah, the car is luckily already warmed up because we are going on that little cruise. Definitely don't want to do that while it's cold. So yeah, let's get this little startup. Sir, shout out my girl for that startup. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into the video finally. All right, y'all, so we're about to start this little mountain cruise. Let me show y'all where we at. Y'all see the views? Yeah, man, it's gonna be a nice little chill video for y'all. Once I do get like to cruising on the actual mountain, I'm gonna go ahead and put this like tripod in my mouth. Y'all can't see that, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my mouth so y'all can get like a good POV of it. Big pause. But yeah, so there won't be much talking. I'll decide if I put music over this or not. I don't want to risk that little copyright. So yeah, most likely there won't be any music or anything. So yeah, like I said at the beginning, just freaking sit back and enjoy. So yeah, we're about to come up on it right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick it back up once we're there. Freaking hate these Ford Explorers. I think they're a cop every time. Is it? Nah, okay, we're chilling. The views, holy shit. That looks so good. It's not too long. I'm kind of familiar with like these streets a lot, so I mean, don't mind the little, you know, cutting up and stuff. I'm real familiar with these streets, so nothing new here. So we're gonna go ahead and pull over right now, give y'all a good look at the views, and yeah, just chill out before we head back down the same way, and possibly get a little bit more speed going down, because there's not that much going back. So yeah, I'll go ahead and pick up the camera right now that we stop. Alright, y'all, we just got here. I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to record outside. There is a little bit of wind. I don't know if you guys can tell by the palm trees, but man, these views are crazy. I might take pictures up here one day. Might film another little video while I do that. Me and all the homies might come up here, get a couple of shots in. But yeah, for right now we're just chilling here. Might show you guys around, and we'll go ahead and pick up the camera once we're most likely heading back down. Kind of pains me to go through this dirt, but hey, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. She's still saying a little pretty. Yeah, man, you can be in the shot. Relax. Hopefully it's not too windy and you guys can hear me. But yeah, man, this is super nice. Man, as the young Strat man will say, views on views, man. Views on views. Little ducks, we're not trying to disturb the peace, man. We're just enjoying the view. Man, I'm out here looking at these views, but I think the best views right here. Right? Mm-hmm. Right?
What?
Like that view's nice, but this view's better.
No.
Alright, yo, we're about to head down right now. Just got done taking a little break here. But yeah, I'm gonna try to go ahead and, you know, if you lasted this long through the video, you might see me go a little bit faster on the way down. So thank you for sticking around, and we'll go ahead and get straight to it. Alright, y'all, so we're about to go ahead and head back down the mountain. I do have 9% on the GoPro, and I did not bring a charger. I did bring an extra battery, but I think it got clapped. But on another note, look at that guy's rims on the little Honda. It's nice. But yeah, I'm gonna pick this up once we make our way back down. Alright, y'all, so here we go back down. Hopefully you guys can hear the exhaust, hopefully. I have the little sunroof cracked, so y'all can get a little bit of that. Don't want too much wind noise, so I got the windows up. But anyways, let's get it. be it for today's video. If y'all enjoyed, let me go ahead and stop this wind real quick. Noisy road. All right, there you go. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like. If you're new, especially, leave a like and subscribe. Check out the page for more content like this. If you guys like these cruises on like mountain roads, go ahead and let me know. I'll try to find some more longer trails that maybe have a little more height to them or whatever. A little more empty for sure. But yeah, I mean, I had fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And I'll go ahead and catch you guys in the next video. Peace.